Hello friends, it's another day again. This is your girl Josie. Yes. We are here again. Today we're going to do some of my savings challenges. I know a lot of you have questions about my investment thing that I'm doing. More videos are coming, trust me. I hope everybody is doing very well. If you are new here on this channel, I talk about savings challenges, budget, and I'm also starting to do a lot with investment as well because that one has also changed my world and I have learned a lot. So if you are new here, welcome. If you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, please go ahead and do so that you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, so today for the savings challenges, I have my weekly, monthly one. I have my 52-week part, which we're going to finish today. And I also have my 100 envelope challenge. For this one, I do 100 in each slot. 100 in each slot for this one. So, anytime I have $100, I put it in. That will be the first one. So let me put these ones on the side. Then let's finish this. Let's see how I'm going to do that. Okay, so this one, like I said, I do 100 in a slot. And this is how it look like. So each slot get $100. And when you buy my 100 envelope savings challenge, like I've been telling you guys, it comes in about 4 different challenges. And that one is also part of it. I have the 100 money pot. After you finish everything, you're going to get 10,000. And I do have the regular 5,000 when you put the exact numbers. And I also have the summation one, which I just started a new one. If you haven't seen it, we are still doing that one as well. Very easy and go. So today, this is how far we are when it comes to this challenge. It's going to take me a long time to finish this challenge, but I'm pretty sure I am going to finish. I always tell people that maybe I might finish it by the time I right needed to pay off my student loan, because we are at 27,000 right now and I can't wait to pay that one also off. So we have 23 here, but I'm going to put $100. So let's see. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's here, and that's all I'm doing for today, just $100. Yes, we still have a long way to go, but trust me, it's gonna get done. It will take a while, like I said. So let me put that one on the side, and I'll do my weekly one. This one for today, I'm gonna finish the September one, which I didn't finish. So that will be 13 plus 15. That will be 28. So I'm putting 28 in September. So this one is what I'm gonna get done. So that will be 28. So let's add 28, and we are done with September, and we're gonna do October sometime soon. This means I'm behind with my challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 28. Okay. And this one too, I do have it in my shop, my Etsy shop. I'll have the link in my description below in case you want to check it out. Okay, so we are done with September. We will do October, my next challenge, probably next week. So look at that. This one at the end, I'm going to get 50. No, at the end, I'm getting $500. So we have the 500 one and we have the 1,000 one, and we have the one with the motivational code, the Bible code, and we have the one that there's nothing here. It comes already in the month already, and the envelopes come where you put the money, where you put this. You can also buy the booklet by itself if you don't want the challenge with it. I do also have that as well, and I can't wait to get this one done. Then my next one will be my 52-week part, and that one is the last day for today. Super excited. I'm going to restart it again. I don't know whether I should wait till the end of the year to start. No, I think I'll go ahead and start again. Yes. And this one, anytime I'm doing it, I do one at a time, like one of these at a time. Some people will do one envelope at a time. It depends on you. You don't have to rush through it. So today we're going to do our last 52. So $52. I'm super excited. I'm done with this. I'm going to do a video that I'll count with you guys. Then I'm going to tell you what I'm using the money for. I definitely know that my student loan is going to take part of the money for sure. Then this bonus, I'm going to spread this amount in this bonus. So let's see what we have. So what I'm going to do is, I'll do one. Then I'll do, so each of them get $51 for the bonus. Yeah, I can't wait to count it. At the normal circumstance, when you do the 50 up to the 52, you get 1,378. But because I'm adding the bonus, I'm hoping that I will get up to 1,500 when but I don't think it's gonna be 1,500. It might be 1,400 or something, but let's see how much it will be when I count it. I can't wait to take it out, count it with you guys. And I know some of them are gonna go into my student loan, and maybe I'll put some in investment as well. Super excited. That's why I like the savings challenges, because it makes me stay on track. If I'm just alone and you ask me to put this money in my account, there was no way I'm gonna do this. Yes, I know for sure I wouldn't do it. So the savings challenge just helped me so that I'm able to save this money as well. Yeah, so we all said we will count it in the next video. Yes, so that's all for my simple challenges that I do throughout the whole year. I have this one, I have that one, and I have the 100 envelope as well. Thank you for watching me today. Super grateful to have you here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.